Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Vlogmas day 10, 11 and 12. Meet Inkem and Zen. The first time I met Zen was also during a makeup collaboration with a photographer, Map Studios. I'm going to leave his handle on the screen for you guys to check him out. He's a badass photographer. So that was the first time we met, and ever since then Zen has just been following each other on Instagram and supporting each other, which is dope. Anyway, so today we met up for another collaboration, this time for her Instagram page. She wanted to post a bump as real, and so anyway, I think prior to this time I had sent her a DM like, whenever you get to town, let me know so we can get together, do something. So of course she came to Benin, I think last weekend or so, and she sent me a message that she was around. I'm like, yay, we should do this thing, yeah.
Mom want to go and take pictures. Oh, we don't take every day in day out pictures.
Jesus, God way.
Anyway, so we went for this really cute pink graphic liner, and yeah, basically she wanted her eyes to pop, and then we opted for this color. And now I'm just lining her lips with the Zaron XOXO Sheer Lip Gloss, my absolute favorite. Now we're all done. She's looking so pretty, so pretty. Now we're taking videos, making videos, taking pictures as well. And she left after all of this shenanigan and went out to take some more bomb ass pictures. You guys should follow her on Instagram. You love her page and everything that she's about. So pretty.
On YouTube.
Why?
Vlog.
You that you have
saying that on YouTube.
She does.
Yeah,
Really? What you do on YouTube?
Styling, makeover, and all of that. I was posting lifestyle.
Like posting like that.
Like, and let's give them half full videos, like body and jeans. Oh my god, we are kind of twinning. I want red on my eye like her own, so that we will complete that
red,
that line.
Red line.
Yes. So that it's very easy. Pink shape and Jenny. We are wearing red top and
Let me see your eyes. Okay, we can see it.
to fit shape.
I guess.
Just the line up a bit.
Alright.
And it's a wrap. We finally finished everything we wanted to do that day. So their taxify was already outside to pick them, and yeah, that was the end of day 10.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi guys. So today I got a package from Zaron. I was already wondering, I didn't order anything though. I'd already opened it, I just want to show you guys again, like I mean during the Black Friday sale I ordered for just one thing and it has been delivered already, but when they called me, I mean Jumia called to say I have a package, I was like, what? Alright, so let me see. And then they got here and first of all, fam, look at that. This is so beautiful. This is one of their latest brushes they just released, and there's another one inside. Like, this is my fave. Look how pretty this brush looks. Damn, this is their multi-purpose brush. It's cruelty free, it's super soft, it has super soft bristles, it's suitable for liquid, powder and cream formulations and all that. Like, it's just so beautiful. I cannot wait to try this bad boy. Like, guy, she is gorgeous. Dang. I love the one. Like, it's so pretty, so beautiful. Very different from the powder brush that I have, but it's just so beautiful. Like, it comes in handy. This can fit into your purse or anything like that. But anyway, that's for this brush. This brush belt it literally blew my mind away. I mean, the leather, like the packaging is crazy. It looks like a mini purse, so this can fit into your makeup bag any day. So it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brushes. Of course, this is a powder brush. You don't need anybody to tell you. Jesus, it's so soft, man. Are you kidding? And guys, you can shop this brush belt, I think, for about 7,000 naira. I'm not sure, but I'll leave it on the screen for you guys. Oh, this is so soft. It's even softer than this one. Ah, wow, 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 wow. And the leather, let's talk about the leather. And the color is so beautiful. This is, of course, like a foundation brush. So beautiful. And these ones are small brushes. This is an angled brush. It comes with a spoolie on this side as well. Look at that. Just so pretty. This is a lip brush, of course. So beautiful. This is an eyeshadow brush. So pretty. Like, this is your personal makeup brush set already. You don't need anything else. Once you have this, you're good to go. I mean, I can't thank Zaron enough. You guys are amazing. I guess it's safe to say Christmas came early. Like, who doesn't want brushes? Huh? I can just stick this in here and cover it, and I'm good to go. And just put it back in this belt. Ah, ta-da! Thank you so much, Zara Cosmetics. You guys are amazing. I love my brushes. I can't wait to use them and thank you guys. Yeah, thank you.
So here's a mini 30 seconds video I created on Instagram with the brushes, and why the brush belt is looking really orange. I use my Snapchat filter, that's why it's looking that way, but I still love it anyway. Brushes are still really cute. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please follow us on Instagram. I'm going to leave my handle on the screen, and also a link that will take you straight to my channel in my description box, so do check that out. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, fam, please give it a thumbs up. That's how I would know if you love to watch this type of videos. So give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. We're already so close to 1K. Thank you guys so much. Hi guys, this is day 12. As you can see, I'm sure you're already familiar with this face. This is Naga. If you watched my last vlog last Saturday, you would notice that I talked a lot about her, saying she's one of my favorite clients. She has referred more people. Yeah, so she's here again for another makeup session. She has a wedding to attend, and we were creating this, you know, soft orange kind of brownish smoky eye, and I'm just trying to add a little bit of pigment adhesive because I'm going to apply some pigment on her eyelid. So basically I filmed like a mini tutorial of how I got the eyes fixed, how I did the eyes, liner, lashes, lipstick, and then even down to her outfit. If you guys don't already know, Naga is a fashion designer and she sells them. I'm going to leave her handle on the screen. If you're in Benin, if you're in Nigeria, you need a ready to wear dress, she's your plug, trust me. I mean, she makes the most beautiful dresses. You guys check out her page. I'm going to show you her dress, of course, and she literally makes dresses especially her dresses that she wears for events. She makes them like in 9 minutes, and in a few hours she's done creating like a masterpiece. I'm not just selling her market, I've seen her work firsthand and they are gorgeous, and you guys should check them out, okay?